Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an avatar using Facebook. This avatar can be used all across platforms. It can be used in your projects, it can be used on your YouTube videos, just like I'm using it on my YouTube thumbnail and videos. So without further delay, let's get started. The first thing to do in order to create an avatar with Facebook is to log on Facebook. So I will log on Facebook right now. So as you can see, I am on Facebook right now. So next, click on your profile icon. So this is my timeline. So from here, you can either click on your profile picture or your cover photo. Either of them works. So in my case, I'll be clicking on the profile picture. Next, click on Create Avatar Profile Picture. Just click on any skin tone that you like for your avatar to bear. So in this case, I will choose any one that I like. Once you choose, you click on Next. Now we're on the avatar customization interface, and here you can customize your avatar the way you want, starting with the hairstyle. Here there are quite a good number of hairstyles that you can choose for your avatar. So you just scroll down, choose anyone you like. Okay, there are a lot of them. I like this. Let me choose this. So as you can see, the hairstyle has already been installed on the avatar. So next, you can choose the hair color. Okay, let me go with, I like black. Let me go with black. So as you can see, there are a bunch of hair colors you can choose from depending on your preference. Okay, let me go with black. To see other customization tools, just move the navigation bar from the right to the left. Okay, so as you can see, this is for the outfit. Let us go for the outfit. So click on the outfit. That is it right there. And here we got to choose the type of outfit we would like our avatar to wear. So let me see the one I can choose. There are a lot of outfits already, customized outfit for your avatar. Just scroll down and choose any one that you like. Anyone, whether male or female, depending on the type of avatar you are creating. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, let me choose one. Okay, let me look at this. Okay, it looks good. Let's see if we can choose any other one. Let's see other options. Like I told you, there are quite good number of options to choose from. I think I like this. Let's go with this. So next, we click on the body icon and we got to choose the body shape. So the body icon is for the body shape, whether you like your avatar to be slim, macho, fat, obese, whatever you like, you can do it. So I just like my avatar to be macho. So I think this is okay. Okay, this is perfect. So from here, we'll move over to the eye. Okay, the eye shape. So this is where you get to customize the eye shape for your avatar. So wherever you like for, but in order to keep this tutorial short and concise, let me just choose one. Let me choose this. I think this is okay. So eye color, once I think this is okay. When you click on eye color, you can get to choose the color of the eye or the pupil. Okay, this is for eye makeup. I think it's okay like this because it's a man, not a woman. So from here we go over to the eyebrows. Under the eyebrow option, you got to choose the type of eyebrow you like your avatar to bear. Let's see this. Let's see this. Let's see this. Let's see this. See this. Okay, I think this is okay. I think this is okay. But there are other options you can choose from. So the color, you can customize the color of the eyebrow. I think it's okay like this. Black is okay. So now here, this option is peculiar to Indians. So if you like bindi on your avatar, here you can put it, but I like my avatar plain and clean. Next, we move over to the nose. Under the nose option, you can choose the type of nose that you will like your avatar to bear. So there are quite good number of options to choose from depending on your preference. Let's say this. I think I like this. If you would like your avatar to have nose piercings, you can do that right here, but I don't want my avatar to have nose piercings. Next, we move on to the lips. So for the mouth, here you can customize the shape of the mouth. Okay, so let's choose one. I think I'm okay with this. I'm okay with this. Yeah, this is perfect. Next, this is lip color. Lip color. Here you got to choose the color of the lips. So there are a quite good number of options to choose from, but I'm okay with the color of the lips. Next, we move on to the face markings. If you like your avatar to have face markings, you can do that right here. Now next is face lines. If you like your avatar to bear face lines, you can do that right here, but I don't want my avatar to have face lines. So I don't want my avatar to bear face lines. Next is facial hair, and under this option you are allowed to choose the type of facial hair you would like your avatar to bear, the type of mustache, the type of beard that you would like your avatar to bear. Here you can get to choose it. So let me choose any one. Okay, let's say this. So under the facial hair option, you are allowed to choose the type of facial hair you will like your avatar to bear. So the type of beard, mustache are available here. All you need to do is just to scroll down, you see a lot of options that are available, and you can choose from any of these options. So let me choose any one that I like. So let me go with this. I like this one. This is okay. So next is the color. facial hair color. So you get to choose the color for the beards. Okay, let me go with black. Yeah, it's okay, but you can choose whichever color that you like. So next is the ear piercings. Under this option, you can choose any ear piercings that you like, but I don't want anyone. Here is hearing devices. Under hearing devices, you can choose any hearing device that you like your avatar to bear. I don't want anyone. And here are the color. You can choose any color. So next is eyewear. So here you choose the eyewear, whether you like. If you like your avatar to wear eyeglasses, spectacles, you can choose anyone. There are quite good number of options to choose from. Okay, so anyone that you like. So without wasting much time, let me choose one. Let's say this. So you choose and check whichever one is good, whichever one is okay. Let me go with this. So here you can choose the color for the, well, I think black is okay for, but here you can choose the color for the eyewear. The next option on the customization panel is hairwear. So here you can choose the type of hairwear, the type of cap, the type, whatever type that you like. There are a lot of options to choose from. Okay, but I think I like this one already. That's for the color. So you can choose the color for the hairwear. There are other colors that you can choose. Okay, but I like the white color. So once you are done with the customization, you click on done. So let's click on done. You'll be asked to save the changes. Click on save changes. And your avatar is being updated. Okay, once Facebook is done updating your avatar, click on next. Click on done. Now you wait for your avatar to be loaded by Facebook. I think I like this pose. So next is the background. Okay, I think I like this color and would like to go with this color because I know I can easily remove this background. Okay, and when choosing the background color, make sure that the color you are choosing as your background color does not rhyme with your skin color or the color of your outfit for easy removal. So once you are done choosing the background color, you click on save. Boom, that's our avatar right there. Now the next thing to do is to click on the profile picture again. Click on it. Click on view profile picture. Click on the three dots on the upper right side of your phone. Now click on save to phone. Okay, you have successfully saved this picture to your phone. If you want the full version of your avatar, all you need to do is to go back, click on the avatar, click on create avatar profile picture. Once you click on it, Facebook will automatically load your avatar. Click on edit. Click on edit. That is the full version of your avatar right there. What you need to do next is to screenshot this full version. Screenshot it. The next thing is to crop out that full image using an editor. You can use your inbuilt editor. Find the screenshot and crop the image out. So I'll click on gallery. Let's locate the image. Okay, that's it right there on my screenshot. This is the image. This is the image. So let's crop it out. We crop. So once you are done, you click on save, and that's it. So this is the image. The image is now cropped out. This is our full size avatar. So to remove the background of this avatar, I have a video right here, okay, where you can go and watch how to remove the background of pictures. So this is how to create an avatar using Facebook. If you found this tutorial helpful, kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share with others. Thank you for watching.